Hello students, let us continue exercise 9.1, some applications of trigonometry. Question number 9. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of tower is 30 degree. First we draw building CD and tower AB. And from the top of building, angle of elevation is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. Angle of elevation from the top of tower from the foot of building is angle of elevation is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, height of tower is 50 meter, find the height of the building. Let x be the height of the building. Let CD be the height of the building and BD equal to y meter. Let CD equal to x and AB equal to 50 meter. In triangle ABD, tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular 50, base y, 50 upon y. Tan theta equal to root 3 equal to 50 upon y. Now cross multiply root 3y equal to 50. Y equal to 50 upon root 3. Now in triangle BCD, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular x, base y. Tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular x, base y, x upon y. Tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3 equal to x upon y. Now cross multiply root 3 x equal to y. Now value of y is 50 upon root 3. So we write 50 upon root 3. X is equal to 50 upon root 3 multiply 1 upon root 3. X is equal to 50 upon root 3 multiply root 3 root 9. We get root 9 is 3. That is height of building is 16 and 2 upon 3 meter. Now question number 10. Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between on the road, angle of elevation of the top of the pole 60 degree and 30 degree. Let AB and CD be the height of the pole and both poles have equal height, so we write x meter. Now take a point P on the road and angle of elevation from the point from both poles, that is 60 degree and 30 degree. This is your angle of elevation. Now find the height of the pole and the distance from the point of the pole. Now given wide of road equal to 80 meter. 80 meter. Now take BP equal to y meter, and so PD equal to 80 minus y meter. Let two equal pole AB and CD. Let AB equal to CD equal to x meter. Let BP equal to y and BP and given BD equal to 80 meter. Now PD equal to 80 minus y meter. In triangle ABP, tan 60 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular x upon y. Tan 60 degree equal to x upon y, perpendicular upon base. Tan 60 root 3 equal to x upon y. X is equal to cross multiply root 3 y. X is equal to root 3 y, equation number 1. Now in triangle PCD, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, perpendicular x, base 80 minus y. Tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, x upon 80 minus y. Tan 30 1 upon root 3 equal to x upon 80 minus y. Root 3x is equal to 80 minus y, equation number 2. Now put the value of x equal to root 3y in equation Second, we get root 3 multiply root 3y. Value of x is root 3y. So write root 3y equal to 80 minus y. Root 3, 3y. 3y equal to 80 minus y. Now 3y plus 1y equal to 80 and we get y equal to 20. Y equal to 20, so x is equal to root 3y. X is equal to root 3 multiply 20. X is equal to 20 root 3. Now AB equal to CD. AB and CD be the height of the both pole and they have equal height. So we write equal to 20 root 3 meter. BP equal to y. BP equal to y. So we write BP equal to 20 meter and PD equal to 80 minus y. 80 minus y. So we write 80 minus y, 80 minus 20, 60 meter. Hence, height of each pole is 20 root 3 meter and distance of the point from the pole are 20 meter and 60 meter. This is your answer. Now do question number 9, 10 in your notebook. Thank you.